Hey, what's up, guys? So, last night when I slept at the truck stop, well, I should say this morning when I slept at the truck stop, um, I guess I was sleeping underneath a power line because birds must have thought my white car was a porta potty. You know, it is, I wouldn't say completely covered, but they definitely got me. You can see some on my window here. My windshield's got it all over. It's everywhere. So luckily I got some quarters. So I'm gonna go do quick spray off for the car wash. Um, Hopefully the pressure washer is enough to get it off there. Cause I don't feel like fully cleaning my car. It's not bad weather out right now. It's like 42 degrees, but um, I don't know if you guys can tell looking at me or not, but I'm absolutely drained. Uh, Tonight will make my seventh day in a row at work. And after 7 days, they ask you to take a day off. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take off tomorrow. And I'm actually scheduled off tomorrow anyway. Scheduled off tomorrow and Tuesday. I may end up taking both days off. I don't know yet. I like my hours. I really do. But I need a break. Being furloughed and out of work since March, going back to work 70 something hours a week. It's pretty rough. I ain't gonna lie. I'm quite used to working all the time, but this year I'm not used to working a whole lot. Ever since the COVID hit, I've been vacationing and traveling and you know getting my me time out of my system. So I'm not used to doing a whole lot of nothing. Luckily, my job's not very physically demanding. Um, but working 12-hour shifts, switching from days to nights, it's taking its toll on me this week. So I'm gonna take a day or two break. I'm scheduled for it anyway, so it's no big deal. We got that stupid schedule. It's you work 2 days, you're off 2 days, you work 3 days, then you're off for 2 days, then you work 2 days, then you're off for 3 days. So really, out of 14 days, you only work 7 days. But here it is, mid pay period, and today makes 7 days in a row. So if that shows you all how much I'm working, we're only scheduled 36 hours one week, 48 hours the next week. Um, and this week I'll have 72 hours just this one week. So I've almost got more hours in 1 week than I'm supposed to get in 2 weeks of regular time. Yeah, I'm tired. I ain't gonna lie. It's it's draining me. So I got a bunch of stuff I gotta do tomorrow anyway. Um, so I'll probably do all my errands and everything that I gotta do tomorrow, and I've got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. And promise, really good news coming soon. I'm just I'm waiting for it. It's the waiting game. Hurry up and wait. Um, I have to wait for it myself, and I'm sorry that you guys are waiting with me. I'm sorry I brought it up so soon, but good things come to those who wait, and I am being as patient as possible. I'm not trying to rush it at all. So, yeah, we'll get there shortly. I'm hoping in the next week or so. Um, Maybe before then. If it happens before then, I'll let you guys know, obviously. But I've got a surprise coming up, and show you guys what this journey or where this journey's taken me. Um, if you put in effort, you really can bring yourself up from any situation. You gotta set your mind to it. I wouldn't be in the position that I'm in if I didn't work as much as I'm working as soon as I'm doing it. I'm extremely fortunate that my job allows me to do this, and that I have other caring people in my life doing what they can, to kind of point me in the right direction. Um, I've never turned to drugs. I've never turned to alcohol. I've never, just given up. I thought about giving up quite a few times, but I've never actually done it. Obviously, I'm still here, but, boy, it's been rough. I'll tell you what, it's been rough. And, me sleeping in my car, I'm glad that I didn't just get this job, use my first paycheck, go out, find a place to rent, waste a bunch of money on that. Sleeping in my car, saving up some money, doing what I can do to get to this next step. It's what it's boiling down to. So, hopefully soon, guys. Hopefully soon. You guys will see what I'm talking about. So, stay tuned. Like, subscribe, follow me. Catch you guys later.